Okay, Ada, I have a surprise for you.
Ada, hi.
Hi, Ada.
Oh,
Who is it?
Hi, puppy. Hi.
Oh, she's crying.
Hi. Hi, Ada.
So many kisses, Ada.
I didn't leave forever.
So many kisses.
Did you not know I was gone?
No.
Hi, puppy.
She's smelly. If I could just sit on you, that'd be okay. Want to go play, Ada? Go show him your toys. Go show him. Go play with him. She's like, ah, no, I'll just stay here.
You're so soft, Aziz. You're so soft.